Hi all, welcome to our class. In this class, we are going to discuss some problems related with trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, which means angles of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We know sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2 and cos 90 is 0. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree is 1, tan 60 degree is root 3 and tan 90 degree is not defined. Now let us discuss one problem. Evaluate tan 60 square plus 4 cos square 45 degree plus 4 cosec square 60 degree divided by 2 cosec 30 degree plus 3 sec 60 degree minus 7 by 3 cos square 30 degree. We have to substitute the values of tan 60, cos 45, cosec 60, cosec 30, sec 60 and cot 30 in this question. We will get the answer. So tan 60 square, first one is tan 60 square. We know tan 60 is root 3. So tan 60 square means root 3 square, isn't it? Tan 60 square is root 3 square plus 4 cos square 45 degree. Cos square 45 degree means cos 45 degree square. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So 4 into cos 45 degree means 1 by root 2 square. So 1 by root 2 square. Plus 4 into cosec 60 degree. We know sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So we have to write cosec 60 degree. Cosec square 60 degree. So sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore cosec 60 degree means 2 by root 3. So cosec square 60 degree means 2 by root 3 square. 2 by root 3 square. 2 by root 3 square. By 2 cosec 30 degree. 2 into cosec 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. So cosec 30 degree means 2 by 1, which means 2. So 2 into cosec 30 degree means 2. Plus 2 into 2 plus 3 660 degree. 3 into 660 degree. 660 degree means cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So 660 is the reciprocal of cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore 660 is 2. So 3 into 2 minus 7 by 3 into cot square 30 degree. We know tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Therefore cot 30 degree is root 3 by 1 root 3. So cot square root 3 means root 3 square. Cot square 30 degree means root 3 square. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Cot, we have to find cot 30. Cot 30 means the reverse of tan 30, that is root 3. Your square, cot square, therefore root 3 square. So we got root 3 square plus 4 into 1 by root 2 square plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square divided by 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 7 by 3 root 3 square. Now we can evaluate the values. Root 3 square means it is equal to root 3 square means 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 4 into 1 by root 2 square. 1 by root 2 square means 1 root 2 square 2. So 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, answer is 2. So 4 by 2, that is answer is 2 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square, which means 4 into 2 square 4. That is 4 into 4, 16 by root 3 square means 3. That means 16 by 3. That is 3 plus 2 plus 16 by 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 7 by 3 into root 3 square. 7 by 3 into root 3 square means root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. That 3 and this 3 we can cancel. So we got 6. That root 3 and this 3 we can cancel. That root 3 square is 3. That 3 and this 3 we can cancel. We got 7. So we got 3 plus 2 plus 16 by 3 divided by 4 plus 6 minus 7, which is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 plus 16 by 3 divided by 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 7, 3. We got 5 plus 16 by 3 divided by 3, which means we can cross multiply this with this 3. 3 into 5, 15 plus 16 by 3 or divided by 3, which is equal to 15 plus 16, 31 by 3 into this 3 into 1 by 3, we got this 3. Okay, so 15 by 16 by 3, this 3 also, though 3 into 3, that is 31 by 9. So we got 31 by 9. So the answer of our question is 31 by 9. So when we substitute the values of all these trigonometric ratios, we will get the answer. Another question, evaluate sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. You have to substitute the values of sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 30 degree and cos 60 degree. Here we will get the answer. So sin 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. That is also root 3 by 2. Plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. Sin 30 degree means sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree. What is cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So we got root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. So we got 3 by 4 plus 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. So we got 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That means 3 plus 1 by 4. That is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So we got the answer 1. So sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to 1. Let us discuss another problem. So using this trigonometric ratios of specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we can evaluate the questions. 2 tan square 45 degree, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Sin square 60 degree. Evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree, which is equal to, substitute the values of tan 45, cos 30 and sin 60. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So 2 into tan 45 1, tan square 45 is also 1. 2 into 1 plus cos square 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore cos square 30 degree means root 3 by 2 square. Root 3 by 2 square minus sin square 60 degree. Sin square 60 degree means sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore sin square 60 degree means root 3 by 2 all square, which is equal to 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2 plus root 3 by 2 square, which means 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 2 all square, that is also root 3 square 3, 2 square 4. So 3 by 4. We can cut 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 0. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 we can cut. The answer is 2. So 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree, which is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Another question, evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 c square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree, which is by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So you have to evaluate by substituting the values of cos 60, sec 30, tan 45, sin 30 and cos 30. We can evaluate the answer. So which is equal to 5 into cos square 60 degree. We know cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So cos square 60 degree means 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square. Cos square 60 degree means 1 by 2 square. Plus 4 into sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree. We know that cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore, sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. So, c square 30 means 2 by root 3 square. So, therefore, 4 into 2 by root 3 square minus tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 degree is 1. Therefore, tan square 45 degree is 1 square 1 divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Sin square 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1 by 2. Sin square means 1 by 2 square. So, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Therefore, sin square 30 degree means 1 by 2 square plus cos square 30 degree means cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore, cos 3 square 30 means root 3 by 2 square. That means root 3 by 2 or square, which is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 or square, which means 5 into 1 by 2 square means 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Therefore, 5 by 4 plus 4 into 2 by root 3 square. Square of 2 is 4. Then square of root 3 is 3. That is 4 into 4 16. 16 by 3. 4 into 2 square 4. 4 into 4 16. Root 3 square is 3. Minus 1 divided by 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Plus root 3 by 2 square is square of root 3 is 3. And 2 square is 4. So we got 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now we can simplify these fractions. We will get the values of the question. So 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. That is this equal to 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by plus 4, 3 by 4 means 1 plus 3, 4 by 4. That is 1. 4 by 4 is 1. So we got 1. So we got 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 all divided by 1. That means 5 by 3 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Since 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1 plus 3 4, 4 by 4 1. So we got 1. Therefore, this by 1 is this itself. Therefore, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Now we can evaluate this. So 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3. Just cross multiply. That means 5 into 3 is 15 plus 4 into 16, that is 64 by 12 minus 1. That is 15 plus 64 by 12 minus 1, which is equal to 15 plus 64 means 79. 79 by 12 minus 1. 15 plus, first we do this 2, that is 5 into 3, 15, 4 into 16, 64, 4 into 3, 12 minus 1. That means 64 plus 15, 79 by 12 minus 1. So 79 minus 1 by 12, which is equal to 79 minus, again cross multiplication, 79 minus 12 by 12. That is 79 minus 12 is 67. 67 by 12. So the answer is 67 by 12. So the answer of this question is 67 by 12. Another question is, so the answer is 67 by 12. One more question we can discuss. Cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree. Cos 45 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Substituting the values, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Sec 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is, we know cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Therefore, sec 30 degree is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 means sin 30 is 1 by 2. Therefore, cosec 30 is 2 by 1. That is 2. So, cosec 30 is 2. So, we got cos 45 by sec 30 plus cosec 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 2. Reciprocal of sin 30 is 2. Therefore, cosec 30 is 2. So, we got 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2 means 2 plus cross multiplication. 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So, we got 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. So, 1 by root 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. On cross multiplication, we will get, on division, we will get 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3 means 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3. So, 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3, which is equal to root 3 by root 2 into root 2 into 2 plus root 3. So, root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus root 3. The answer of the question is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus root 3. So, we can again multiply this root 2 with the, 2 root 3. Again, we can multiply this root 2 inside the bracket, or we can write simply root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. So, we can easily calculate the questions like using this trigonometric ratios of specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree.